It is arguably our most valuable resource, and unlike oil, we cannot live without it. Increasing population, industrialization, and climate change are accelerating our growing demand for water, but our planet only has a finite amount. The water cycle provides a planetary solution for water reuse. Evaporation, precipitation, and natural recharge of our aquifers. Other local processes involving plants, animals, and microorganisms break down contaminants in polluted waters, making the water suitable for reuse. Unfortunately, nature's solutions to water cleansing cannot keep up with our insatiable demand for fresh water. It takes time, more time than nature has to clean the 4 trillion pounds of waste we dump into our waterways every year. Leveraging nearly 4 billion years of natural research and development, BioVantage works with nature to accelerate natural processes.
What we see here is some algae that we grow and put into the ponds every day in a small scale wastewater stream here, and the algae is consuming the waste.
BioVantage's team starts in the field, searching for regional strains of algae which are particularly good at consuming contaminants.
He is an expert in bioprospecting, so he actually goes out into nature and looks for algae, which he then purifies, characterizes, grows up.
We call these organisms pollutophiles.
And very few strains get to become his favorites and get used in these applications.
The organisms go through an intense selection process to qualify a select number for inclusion in BioVantage's algae library. From here, the pollutophiles are scaled up in graduated algae production systems to produce sufficient volumes for treatment. BioVantage's patent-pending illumination system produces very dense and healthy cultures.
The wavelengths of photosynthesis fall within the red and blue spectrum. We identify these wavelengths and utilize the LED lights to continuously illuminate the culture. In the tank, there are no dark areas, and our proprietary method of illumination achieves a high rate of growth.
Once strains have been selected for a specific use, production moves to the field. At Mines Park Engineering Research Center at the Colorado School of Mines in Golden, Colorado, BioVantage has partnered with some of the brightest minds in wastewater management. Together, they have developed a test bed.
And this is a real demonstration where customers can come, see the process end to end, get real data, and know that it works.
Today, BioVantage is treating wastewater that has been rinsed, washed, and flushed from some of the student housing buildings on the School of Mines campus. BioVantage moves selected pollutophiles from their labs to these larger scale inoculation systems. These fully automated systems introduce the right microorganisms into the wastewater, and what would take nature weeks or months to remediate can be accomplished in a matter of days. At this same site, BioVantage has cleaned ammonia and nutrient-laden waste streams from mining and agriculture. When the wastes are removed, the microorganisms are settled out and the gray water is drained for reuse. The remaining biomass can be used as fertilizer or processed further to extract energy, metals, or other substances, providing a sustainable solution for water recovery. And more importantly, turning waste into value.
We are working with research institutes like Colorado School of Mines. We also have some customers in the mining sector and are in some pretty serious dialogues with oil and gas and just starting with food and beverage. But reuse is really the strategy. We have a lot of wastewater. If you can reuse it, help with some of our drought-related issues, costs, and in a sustainable fashion.
For more information on BioVantage resources or how we can help with your wastewater remediation efforts, visit us at biovantageresources.com or contact us at info@biovantageresources.com.